Yes, sir. It's your boy DG with another Fieldhouse Phase production. I know it's been a minute, but your boy's back, man. I got about 6 videos hot and fresh out the oven. I'm telling you, man, got that fire coming. But yeah, man, check out this South of France I did on my boy Ken. Shout out to that boy, man. Let me fade him up. He sent me a picture of a design that I'm gonna try to do. It came out looking pretty good. I want y'all to let me know how it came out, based upon y'all's judgment. Also, make sure y'all check out my boy Dos Equis on the beat. I'm gonna tag his Instagram. Make sure y'all follow that boy. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. God bless.